Welcome guys, welcome to my Leetcode solving section 1576. Replace all question marks, right, to avoid consecutive repeating characters. So given a string S containing only lowercase English letters, and this is what? Question mark character, convert all the character into lowercase such that the final string does not contain any consecutive repeating character. You cannot modify the non-question mark characters. It's guaranteed that I don't okay. So for example, AZ, this question ZS will be AZS, right? So there are 25 solutions, right? So you are given like you can choose any character which is not Z, right? So BZS, CZS is okay, but ZZS is not okay. There is no repeating. Okay, so UBV, what W, right? AW, right? AW is because A is not the same as V, as same as W. Okay, so this problem is not so simple as you guys may think. Okay, so idea let's just write the help function that we will use. Yeah. So help function defined to be help L. So L is a list. So let me just type L is a list. Oh, by the way, I just type A to Z. So L is a list. So idea is that I want to find the element in S which is not in L, right? So for I in S, if I not in L, I return I. So this help L, if somebody give you a list, it will go through a list, go through S, and find the element which is not in S. Oh, sorry, it's not in L. So help L will find anything which is not in L. Okay. Then it's very easy. If I see only one question mark, then I return A, right? That's if there's no if it's not trivial, then I define answer to be empty, the length to be S, the length to be n, right? And I go through a list. Whenever I see question mark, there are three cases. The first case is that question mark is at the beginning, right? Then the answer you need to choose something which is not the same as S1, right? Because S1 is your original list, so you need to pick an element which is not the same as S1, so which is the same as our help function. And if n is n-1, if you go to the last, right, then if you go through the last and you see the last character is a question mark, then you cannot do the same as n-2, right? So this is so now so in the beginning there's no answer. In the beginning answer S is still empty, right? So you need to use S. But if you go through a final, then answer will already be modified. So you need to change to n-2. Otherwise, if you are in the middle, then you need to use I plus 1, because now answer only has the length. So answer will grow. Answer will grow as you go through a list. So if you are in the middle, then your left hand side will be answer I minus 1, and your right hand side will be non-modified as I plus 1, right? So you just go through. Whenever you see question mark, then you check and you use this help function to help you to pick one which is not the same as you choose. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video. Basically that's it, right? So once you understand step by step, just write down your answer. Okay, I will see you guys in the next videos.